Here we are back again. Guess what? Guess what?
It's still raining.
And we're still at Sutton on Sea.
What are we doing now, Dave? Doing some vlogging.
What do you do on a rainy afternoon at Sutton on Sea on the east coast of Lincolnshire? Well, you catch up with a bit of vlogging, don't you?
Yeah, until the rain stops in half an hour. Then we take the dog out for a walk.
Some people go mad and do keep fat.
Yeah. Yeah, I've done a bit of keep fit.
Toby is doing his favourite thing, aren't you, boy?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. You're not going to say hello to him?
We've done we've taken a leaf out of Michelle and Keith's from Motorhoming book, and we've actually done the Caravan and Motorhome Club magazine crossword, except for, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're down to the last 4. We never do a crossword, do we? But we've done that today.
It was either that or getting wet.
Yeah.
Definitely a crossword.
And so, Kindle.
Oh yeah, Kindle. Laptop. YouTube.
Yeah, we'll hopefully go out for a stretch of the legs. It's going to stop raining soon.
Hopefully.
According to my phone.
Next week, I believe.
According to my phone.
According to her phone, when it says it's going to be hot, it rains. When it says it's going to be raining, it's hot. Sunny.
I know, it said it's going to be a wonderful weekend, didn't it?
Yeah.
So that's what we're up to on a rainy Sunday.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Join us later.
Yeah.
See what else we get up to today.
Not a lot. So this is what we do on a rainy day.
Getting fit with Rick on YouTube. Too wet to go out with the dog. You don't want to go out, so get my steps in. That's enough, Dave.
This is what Toby does on a rainy day. Don't you, Tobes? Toby.
There's an advert in it. So, work out with Get Fit with Rick. He's in Dubai, it looks lovely, so you can pretend you're there. 5 minutes to go.
So what else do we do?
Have a cup of tea and a piece of cake.
Cup of tea or coffee and a piece of homemade cake. Which we've got this time, we've got some fruit cake.
Let me just get it out.
Absolutely yum yums.
Yeah, I can make a good cake, can't I?
So
there we go.
Julia, bring that closer to the camera for you. Go on.
Close.
Yeah. A nice bit of fruit cake to have with my coffee for 1:30. That's how bored we are. No, we're not bored, but we can't go out.
Well, we could.
Without getting soaking wet.
We'll go out. It's going to stop raining soon.
Yeah, so your thing says.
Go to my phone.
All right, enjoy. So that's what else we do. Crosswords. Toby gets a treat as well. From McKay's Pet Stores.
Oh, yeah.
He gets sausage. Oh, look. He loves the turmeric ones from Aileen Mackay's Pet Stores.
Pet supplies.
Pet supplies. And he's just about to have, yeah boy, oh, absolutely loves them. These are chicken, you can get fish or salmon ones, liver, beef and liver, and the turmeric sausage ones, I think he likes them the best. So yeah, there's no holding Julie back when she's got some cake. Yum yum, she says.
It is yum yum.
There, cheers all. See you later.
Right, rainy Sunday. There's been a break in the weather. We're going to take Toby out for a walk. He's a bit reluctant. He's got his coat on. Come on then, Tobes. Off we go.
Come on, done.
Off we go. Come on down, boy.
Don't look at me, boy. She's decided.
You don't want to go. Come on, boys.
Come on, then.
Boysy.
Go for a pooper-dooper. Go on. Not me, Grandad. I'm staying here.